Hello, my name is Kim Seojin. First, I would like to thank God for allowing to be born in the world. After knowing the Lord, I was able to open my eyes to the great things in my life. He gave me wisdom and knowledge too. God gave me wonderful parents and dear friends and relatives. Also, God has protected my family during our travel to Boracay. However, I feel as if I'm getting farther away from the Lord. Please let me go back towards your presence and find you every day of my life. I'm also trying to be an honest person. I hold on my sins to God. Please forgive them. Also, I believe that He will protect our family and help sustain our strong family bond whenever we will face hardships.
Okay, good. Good.
My goal in 2014 is to bring our friends as a new family of our church. Please let me get on with my sister as I'm turning into a third grader. My mom is a teacher, so I wish that she can teach me what life expects from me. Thank you, Lord.